In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Suno AI with your voice. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, first things first, head on over to suno.com. Then from there, sign into your account. Now, once we've signed into our account, go ahead and click on the Create tab on the left-hand side. Then from here, we're going to be taken to your workspace. Now at the top of the page, you've got simple and advanced. We want to go ahead and click on advanced. Now, once we're inside of advanced, we want to go ahead and add audio. So we want to go ahead and upload a voice recording of yourself. So make it between about 15 to 30 seconds. So it's got a good length of time that it can use to use your voice. Now, once you've uploaded your voice recording from your files, we want to go back here and then we want to write some lyrics, or we can leave it blank for instrumental, but obviously you want to use your voice. So go ahead and put in some lyrics and use Suno AI as you normally would. You can choose your style, more options, and you can also change where you want it to save to. Then from there, click on create. And then after that, it's going to create your song using your voice.